welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are. You join me back in the Range Rover L322, the freshly polished and ceramic coated Range Rover L322. A little bit of moisture around today, so yeah, we've got a few water beads here and there, which is nice to see. And we're on our way to 2 maintenance cleans. So this customer had all of his vehicles deep cleaned by myself a month ago, so he went onto our maintenance plan, which means every month I'll go back and just keep on top of his cars, keep them at a nice clean level for him and his family. There's a Volkswagen California camper van, a basically brand new one, which I deep cleaned, Volvo XC90 and an Audi Q4, which are all nice vehicles to do. The XC90 was a real deep clean, so now that's up to a nice standard of where we can just go back and do a maintenance clean on it, so it keeps them in tip-top shape for the family there. Yeah, so today we got the XC90 and the Q4, which are really nice motors. The XC90 is the T8, the Polestar edition, so it's the hybrid, like I think they're tuned by Polestar, or Polestar have some input into something. I'm not too sure on the details of it, but it's yeah, nice motor. And the Q4 as well. The Q4 is lovely. I'm not a huge fan, still not a real huge fan. I keep looking at electric stuff. I'm like, oh, maybe it is the way to go, but oh great, we've got a roadblock. So the Q4 is a really nice motor. No, it's not a motor because it's electric, but you know what I mean. So let's get to the location, we'll get set up. I've got the trailer on, I'll show you guys around the setup, and let's get on with these maintenance cleans. See you there. So there we have the mobile rig, trailer, L322. Love this setup, it's mega. Right, let's get set up and get these maintenances done. So first up, we'll do the Volvo, then we'll do the Q4. Right. So now we've got the somewhere with the interior, the whole point with our deep cleans is to get the interior up to a point where we can add you to our maintenance program. It makes everyone's life easier moving forward, so our cleans are a lot easier, so everything goes smooth. But this XC90's a beautiful car. Not a huge fan of stripes, but it does look pretty good. This customer likes having stripes in his carpets, so, you know, we do our best. So the XC90 now complete. It's got its shine back, it's got its zing back. It's the benefit with the maintenance plan is that you only really get a month of dirt in there, so it's never really, unless you're like a farmer, it doesn't really accumulate too much. So looking nice again. Let's get the Audi Q4 in, start with that. So now we're on to the Audi Q4. So yeah, needs a bit of a spruce up. Let's get going. plastics first. Mats out, as per usual. There we have it, interior back up to scratch. So now we're moving on to the exterior, snow foam, contact wash, etc, etc. Let's do this. Foam time. So we're just going to go around with a brush in all the nooks and crannies, just to make sure there's nothing left in. We're not really going around with that, we're going around with that. Go around with a little nice fine brush, all the nooks and crannies, just to get any dirt out that the mitt won't get out on the handles. Oh, you gotta love modern cars. Why did you just open yourself? I don't want you to open. I'm trying to wash you. I'm trying to wash you. Don't open yourself. So before the sun starts to come back out again, because I haven't got my canopy today, let's give this thing a contact wash, get it dried, back in its parking place. Job done. Just like that, the Q4's done. Shining away once again. She's pretty. Nice. We'll best turn James off before we get done for copyright. Although we might not get done for copyright, because technically he's my mate. We're like that, me and James Blunt. He's one of my clients. yeah, he's a top bloke. So don't get us done for copyright, James. We're only trying to big you up. I know you're trying to big yourself up at the minute. One hit wonder and all that. Anyway, he's a top bloke. Enough of him, back to new car. We have just been to Chris's house to complete the 2 maintenance jobs on the Q4 and the XC90. Hope you guys enjoy coming along with me on that. A little brief insight into what we get up to with the mobile rig. Love this thing. L322 with the trailer, turns heads, looks brilliant, definitely different. I never do things like everybody else does with the lowered caddies, and you know, there's no dissing the lowered caddies, but not for me. Yeah, I guess you could say I'm a bit of a Range Rover snob, driving around the Cotswolds in my cheap Range. Anyway, catch you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Onwards and upwards to the next job. Adios.